Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, the space where we unravel the mysteries of human connection. I'm your guide on today's exciting journey into the signs that reveal a girl is secretly obsessed with you. Before we dive into this intriguing topic, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our insightful content. Now, let's uncover the subtle but powerful signs that she might be secretly obsessed with you. Segment 1. Excessive eye contact. One of the telltale signs that she might be secretly obsessed with you is excessive eye contact. If you catch her gaze lingering on you longer than usual, it could be a clear indicator that she can't get enough of looking at you. Segment 2. Mirroring your movements. Pay attention to her body language. Mirroring your movements, such as crossing her arms when you do or taking a sip of her drink right after you, suggests a subconscious desire to connect with you on a deeper level. Segment 3. Initiating contact. Whether it's a subtle touch on your arm or finding reasons to initiate contact, physical touch is a powerful sign of someone being secretly obsessed. If she's finding excuses to bridge that physical gap, it's likely she's drawn to you. Segment 4. Remembering small details. Girls who are secretly obsessed tend to remember the small details about you. If she recalls your favorite book, the movie you mentioned liking, or even your coffee order, it's a sign that you've captured her attention. Segment 5. Excessive social media interaction. In the age of social media, her online behavior can speak volumes. If you notice her liking, commenting, and sharing your posts regularly, she might be more than just casually interested, she could be secretly obsessed. Segment 6. Proximity seeking. Watch out for proximity-seeking behavior. If she consistently positions herself close to you in group settings or always seems to end up beside you, it's a subtle yet powerful way of expressing her secret obsession. Segment 7. Initiating texts and calls. When someone is secretly obsessed, they can't resist reaching out. If she's often the one initiating texts, calls, or conversations, it's a strong signal that you're occupying a significant place in her thoughts. Segment 8. Genuine interest in your life. A girl who is secretly obsessed will show genuine interest in your life. She'll ask about your day, your dreams, and your experiences, wanting to delve deeper into the layers of who you are. Segment 9. Becoming nervous or shy around you. Nervousness or shyness can be a clear sign of hidden feelings. If you notice her demeanor changing when you're around, such as fidgeting or blushing, it could be because she's secretly smitten with you. Segment 10. Enthusiastic supporter of your goals. Someone secretly obsessed with you will be your biggest cheerleader. Whether it's career aspirations, personal goals, or even a new hobby, she'll show genuine enthusiasm and support for your endeavors. Segment 11. Creating opportunities to spend time together. If she's constantly creating opportunities for you to spend time together, whether it's suggesting activities or inviting you to events, it's a strong indicator that she's secretly longing for your company. Segment 12. Playful teasing and flirting. Playful teasing and flirting are common signs of hidden attraction. If she's engaging in light-hearted banter or finding excuses to touch your arm, it's her way of expressing a deeper connection. Segment 13. Expressing jealousy. Jealousy, when expressed subtly, can be a sign of hidden feelings. If she reacts to your interactions with others, especially of the opposite sex, it could indicate that she's secretly possessive and desires more than friendship. Segment 14. Consistent thoughtfulness. Secretly obsessed individuals go out of their way to be consistently thoughtful. If she surprises you with your favorite snacks or remembers to wish you luck on important days, it's a clear demonstration of her deep feelings. Segment 15. Initiating deep conversations. A girl secretly obsessed with you will crave deeper connections. If she often initiates meaningful and personal conversations, exploring your thoughts and emotions, it's a strong sign that she's invested in your inner world. Segment 16. Going out of her comfort zone. Stepping out of her comfort zone for you is a powerful indicator. If she's willing to try activities or experiences she wouldn't normally consider because you enjoy them, it reflects her commitment to building a connection with you. Segment 17. Efforts to impress you. Watch for efforts to impress. Whether it's dressing up a bit more when she knows she'll see you or showcasing her talents and achievements, these actions convey a desire to be noticed and admired by you. Segment 18. Taking an interest in your hobbies. When someone is secretly obsessed, they'll take an interest in your world. If she starts learning about or engaging in your hobbies, it's a clear sign that she wants to share and connect with the things that bring you joy. Segment 19. Using pet names. The use of pet names can be a subtle but impactful sign. If she starts using endearing nicknames or terms of affection, it's an indication that she's developing a deeper emotional connection with you. Segment 20. Unwavering loyalty. Last but certainly not least, unwavering loyalty is a hallmark of someone secretly obsessed. If she stands by your side through thick and thin, offering unwavering support, it's a clear sign that her feelings run deep. And there you have it, 20 powerful signs that a girl might be secretly obsessed with you. If you found these insights helpful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content that decodes the intricacies of human connection. It's been a pleasure unveiling these subtle signs with you. Until next time, may your relationships be filled with understanding and connection. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed today's exploration, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions. Until next time, take care and keep decoding the language of connection.